Hello everyone, I, Miss Amira Sheikh, on behalf of my entire cultural department, heartily welcome you all for this dance event, which is known as Test Your Rhythm. Students, the Cultural Forum of KJ Somaya Junior College of Arts and Commerce epitomizes strength, dedication, hard work, and success of not only one, but of all those who are associated with it, and especially our dearest students. As we all know, dance has no barriers. It is something that should be felt, that everybody enjoys and feels. This function, Test Your Rhythm, is being held to appreciate our brilliant and talented personalities. On this day of Ram Navami, I would like to congratulate all my participants who had given their best performances. So, without delay, let's have a huge round of applause for our host, Sahil Bhoj.
A very good morning to all of you. I, Sahil Bhoj, your friend for this day. I'm really excited to invite all the students to enjoy our dance program virtually on this special occasion of Ram Navami. Come with me to ignite your inner art of dancing and gaze upon our fellow friends with their different styles and traditions of dancing, as they are going to reveal ahead soon. So, do you know, friends, on this day, Lord Ram was born. He is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Lord Ram faced many problems in his life, but he never stood back and faced it as how we Somayans are doing, facing it and redressing it. Or, as the theme speaks, come with us. So now, let's start the dance competition. But before starting the event, I would like to congratulate you all for getting selected in this round. Dance is the most beautiful form of expression of humans' feelings. Dancers are the messenger of gods. Today, we are about to witness some great dances, some great talents indeed. So let's gear up for a beautiful start of the show with a campus prayer by Uma Gandekar.
सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै सर्वेत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Thank you, Uma, for making us feel the presence of God, the Almighty. Now let's move forward to a dance form that shouts of sophistication, grace and elegance of our roots, which can hardly be compared to anything else. Let's welcome Shravani with a big round of applause. What a pious and graceful start of the show. Yes friends, there are yet more mesmerizing performances to come. Our next performance is a tiny step to continue his legacy. Please welcome Hita Panchal. dance moves. Our next contestant का क्या कहना, मैं तो बस इतना ही कह सकता हूँ. Hold your breath for Mahi Patel, which perhaps is one of the best performance you will see.
मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना सुन.
सानिधा निधमा मग सनि धनि सगमा मग सनि धनि सग मग सनि धनि सगम ग म ग सनि ध मग म धनि सनि ध मग म धनि सा नि धनि स धनि स धनि स धनि स मदनी 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 मम ग ग स नि स नि ध ध नि स नि ध ध मम ग ग स नि ध ध धनि स स नि ध स स
मेरे ढोल ना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, मेरे ढोल ना.
That was indeed a lovely performance, Mahi. Let's move forward to yet another scintillating dance form, which is a combination of classical and Bollywood by Anvai Mahase. Excellent, Anvai. You have blended us all with your moves. Now, our next performer, Tanvi, is going to show us that old is gold.
रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा, मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गले का फेरा। रात को जब चांद चमके
to the old era. And yes, old is really good. तो बढ़ते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट कंटेस्टेंट की ओर और वो है सानिका पेडनेकर।
यादों में तू है, हाँ बस तू ही, कैसा ये जादू किया। हूँ मैं अधूरी, तू ही जरूरी, बिन तेरे लगे ना जिया। नशा सा तेरी आंखों में, बातों में, तू जीने की वजह। सुनी सुनी रातों में आ जाना यूं लफा लफा। तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम नाहिया। मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम न जाए, तूने ऐसा क्या किया। तुम हो जाए कहीं गुम नाहिया। मैं तेरे बिना गुमसुम न जाए, तूने ऐसा क्या किया।
Very great, Sanika. Your dancing moves were legit. Now, our next contestant is Arpita Chandalia.
सुन साथिया, माहिया, बरसा दे इश्क़ा की स्याहिया। रंग जाऊं, रंग जाऊं रे, हाँ रे मैं, तुझ पे मैं झर जाऊं, हाँ रे पिया, बस तेरी मैं हो, झूले तो खरी मैं। सुन साथिया, माहिया, बरसा दे इश्क़ा की स्याहिया।
आँख सुरमे से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। आँख सुरमे से भर के तैयार की, खींच खींच के निशाने हूँ मैं मारती। खुद ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने, ज्यादा तो उम्मीद मत रख सोने। तेरा लेवल नहीं मेरे यार बनेगा, तेरा नुसूरी उते टंगी रख दे।
A big round of applause for the performer Arpita. Friends, शराफत तो बहुत है, but अब थोड़ी शरारत भी सीख लेते हैं. So get yourself all buzzed up for the upcoming dance performance by Harsh Bhanushali.
सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात, तू ऐसे सोचना थी आज। ये घुंघरू टूट गए, ये घुंघरू टूट गए।
पान में पुदीना देगा, नाक का नागिना देगा, चिकनी चमेली देखी चिकना कमीना देखा। सामने चिडर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा।
पूरी बात, थाली में कटोरा लेकर आलू भात मूड़ी भात। मेरे भी जो किसी ने रिपीट किया तो साला मैंने तेरे मुंह पे मारा मुक्का। इसमें भूत कोई चढ़ा है, ठहरना जानना, अब तो क्या बुरा क्या भला है, फर्क पहचानना। जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना। बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल, बदतमीज दिल माने।
क्या बात है हर्ष, मजा ही आ गया। Indeed, it was a charming performance. Our next performer Rajvi is going to give the delightful test of the song Bumro. Excellent performance, Rajvi. Now, moving on to our next contestant, who can turn her cans into cans and her dreams into plans. So, here I present Nisha with her graceful performance. परफॉर्मेंस इट वाज। वाकई में हम सबका मन खुश कर दिया। Moving on to the next contestant, Namira Syed, who is going to create a lovely charm with her astonishing dance.
Baby, I like your so.
Grips on your ways, front way, back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT. I pray to make it back in one piece. I pray. That's why I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time before I go. Higher powers taking a hold on me.
मैंने तेरे लिए छोड़ा है ज़माना, जरा तेरा इरादा तो बता। ऐसे नजरे तो मुझसे चुराना, जरा तेरा इरादा तो बता। छाया है मुझ पे तेरा ही नशा, कम वक्त दिल ये कहाँ जा फंसा। ना तेरी दीवानी तू मेरा दीवाना, समझ ले नजर का इशारा। गली गली में फिरता है तू क्यों बन के बंजारा। आ मेरे दिल में बस जा, मेरे आशिक आवारा।
That was such a beautiful recital. वाकई में यार हम सबके दिल बेकाबू हो गए. Now I am going to call upon the one who is going to make us feel the rhythm of the dance. Please welcome Neha. Wonderful performance, Neha. You impressed us. Our next dance form is known to be the most expressive dance you will see. So let's welcome the next candidate, Ganesh. For such a lovely performance, Ganesh. Our next dance is full of expressions as Hetvi is coming up with sensational performance on the song Afri Afri. So, give it up for Hetvi.
जाने कैसे बांधी तूने अखियों के डोर, मन मेरा खिंचा चलाया तेरी ओर। मेरे चेहरे की सुबह जुल्फों की शाम, मेरा सब कुछ है प्यार से तेरे नाम। नजरों ने तेरी छुआ तो है ये जादू हुआ, होने लगी हूँ मैं हंसी। आफरी 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 आफरी।
dance performance which completely enthralled the onlookers. Now let's call upon our girl Hiral Jain for the expressive dance.
लाखों का दिल तेरा, ये तेरा थंडर सा ठुमका, अब नखरा ना कर तू, बिजली बन के बे तू फ्लोर पे आ गिरे। मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी, मेरी रानी नाच नाच, मेरी रानी रानी।
It was really a wonderful dance performance. Now, moving on to the next contestant who will make us feel Rajasthani mitti ki khushbu. So let's welcome Nikki. God, what a magical and spellbound performance, Nikki. Here's the end of 2021's Cultural Forum's dance competitions. Everyone did great in their respective fields and genres of art of dancing. Thank you for being with us on this tour till the end.